My dear friend, I am in a metropolitan city. My name is Kumar Pal. You can see my face. And here I am coming only to draw the attention of the natural beauty. Here is a lush green forest inside the capital. That is the Union Territory or national NCR, uh, National Capital Territory. Um, NCR means National Capital Territory, and this is the picturesque beauty. The one dog having name is Buru is with me, and here is the canal. Outside the canal, we are going alongside the canal, and what a dense forest you have seen ever. I have seen ever. Even I feel that I am going in the Jim Corbett National Park or the any national park है अचानक मार अभयारण्य in the district of the Mungeli. Previously it was situated in the Bilaspur district, but this district, that is the Bilaspur district, distributed in two districts, though it was distributed or divided in many districts as the Korba and other Chapa, Janjgir, but the newly dividation of this district, Bilaspur, the Mungeli Tehsil now the district, and Achanak Mar Abharana inhibits in the Mungeli district. This is the picturesque beauty of this park. So this video is the pieces of the many centuries, and but this Abharan or this is the situated in the capital territory region, that is the NCR, and here is the dense forest, too much dense forest, and here in the some trees of the emrak, yeah, or the kamrak, the star food, the plenty of star food plants are here, and the some dog are also moving here and there. This is the Golu, and this is another dog outside this boundary wall of the iron rods or the iron chambers. You can see this is the road, and I am going alongside this boundary wall. This is also the part of this park. It's situated as a bird park, the savior of the bird park, and everywhere you will find the water poured into the bowl of the mud. That is the kullad in Hindi, and this is the picturesque beauty I have ever seen in the NCR, the National Territory Capital Territory. And this is Burro is with me, and I will intrude in the dense forest area, and you will see that this park is how so much picturesque beauty, the natural beauty, the majority of the plants in here. This garden is the plant of the kamrak or the straw food, known as amrak also in the local language. So this is the some less dense garden, but this is a very beautiful garden. Here so many bluebells or the nilgai, which is originally a deer, not a cow. The largest or the biggest sized deer known as the nilgai or nile or the bluebell. Though there is no agriculture in this park, having the area of 285.7 acres, it is more bigger. It is larger than or bigger than the Delhi Zoo, which is having the area of 275 acres only. So I would like to tell you that this is very beautiful park and situated in the northwest of the Delhi. You can see the coronation of the Aurangzeb was decided here after killing his real brother Dara Shikho in 1958. Though he was imprisoned, the Shahjahan in the Agra fort for the 8 years, and Shahjahan was died after 8-year imprisonment. He was tortured by the Aurangzeb, a Islamic goon or Islamic monster. So I would like to say that this is the real story of this park known as the Sheesh Mahal Park. And Nadir Shah, another Islamic goons or the looter or invaders came to Delhi and situated or camped in this Sheesh Mahal Park. And as you know, the Islamic ideology is only to capture the women of the Hindus or the non-Muslims everywhere and molested them or raped them, as their Prophet Muhammad committed such heinous crime as the rapes, molestation of the women, and sold and sale and purchase of the woman. It is described in the book of the Hadith or the jurisprudence of Islam known as the Fiqh. Thank you very much.